Every morning, the Bethany Air team hits the streets servicing Anne Arundel County. Let our factory-trained technicians repair, install, or maintain your HVAC system. Our family-owned company services all makes and models for both residential and commercial customers. You can trust us to complete all repairs, installations, and maintenance work on time. Get a new Ruud energy-efficient HVAC system for as low as $99 per month. Call us today and discover why we're a 5-star Google review air conditioning contractor.